So what makes something one-to-one is that it is a function and its inverse is a function. So something that's one-to-one is a linear equation. So if we want to know if this is a function, we draw our vertical line through it. And if our vertical line only touches one point, then yes, this individual graph is a function. If we want to know if the inverse is a function, we draw a horizontal line through it. And if that horizontal line hits only one point, then yes, its inverse is a function. So if the original graph is a function and its inverse is a function, then this is one-to-one. So both of those conditions have to apply. The graph has to be a function. Its inverse also has to be a function. So that's what makes it one-to-one, meaning there's a one-to-one correlation. If I know what the x is, I know exactly what the y is. If I know exactly what the y is, I can find what the x is. So something that is not one-to-one, for example, is a parabola. So this parabola will pass the vertical line test. So this is a function, but the problem comes in if you draw a horizontal line through it, then your graph hits more than one point. So your inverse is not a function. Which means that if I know what the x value is, so let's think of this as a number line, that's my x value, I know what the y is. But the problem is with the reverse. If I know what the y value is, so let's say that this y value is 2. I don't really know what the x value is because I have another y value of 2 over here as well. So one-to-one means if I know what the x is, I automatically know what the y is. And if I know what the y is, I automatically know what the x is. That doesn't work if your inverse is not a function or the original graph is not a function. So one-to-one is only if the original graph and its inverse are both functions.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.